How to restart your playlist on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restart your playlist on Spotify. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see different icons. Go to your library by tapping on this library icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from here, select the playlist you'd like to restart. Once you open it, here you'll be able to see the arrow icon. This is the shuffle mode. If you want to listen to your playlist in order, you will need to ensure that the shuffle mode is turned off. This can be done by tapping the shuffle icon until it is no longer highlighted in green. But you will only be able to do so if you have subscribed to the premium version of Spotify. If you are using a free account, then you can simply select another playlist from your library and then from your library tap on any one of the songs and then return to your desired playlist and play the song. This will help you to start from the beginning again. And if you are already playing a song from the playlist and want to restart it, you can simply tap on the first song of your playlist, which will reset the playback to start from the track. So by following these steps, you should be able to restart your playlist on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.